immense pleasure to introduce you to Dr. Chef Parinder Bali.
We didn't choose this industry. The industry chose us. And I really wanted to become a neurosurgeon. I'm very happy I still wear whites. I still cut things on the table, only the commodities are different. People know what the texture of risotto has to be. People know what's a well done and what's a medium done salmi. They understand the different types of wine and pairing. We have to come up from this snobbish hospitality to a more inclusive hospitality. I tell everybody, I think cutting the tree is only 10% of the job. 90% is sharpening the axe.
ऐसे कौन सोचता है?
Sardar.